Hi guys, this is Sarita back with the new concept JavaScript executor. So JavaScript executor is an interface which is used to execute the JavaScript statements. So JavaScript statements, what is mean by JavaScript statements means I want to scroll particular positions. So basically to scroll to the particular positions in the Java, basically if I want to scroll to down and I want to click on here. I want to click on private policies. I want to click on here. But if I want to get this XPath, if I'm inspecting this element XPath, I'm not able to get that element XPath. See here. Why? Because I can't able to scroll this one. So scroll is comes in the header part which we can't able to automate it. So but I want to scroll down and I want to select another element. So to scroll to the particular positions, what we can use means we can use a JavaScript executors. So JavaScript executors is a method which is going to be scrolling to the particular position. Suppose I want to scroll uh, here I want to scroll the 500. So what I have to do, JavaScript executor J equals to JavaScript execute. I will show in the program. New class. So what is my requirement here? I want to scroll to particular position. These two statements I am copying it. Created. I have copied this one. So I want to scroll driver dot get URL. I want to copy to particular positions. So to copy to the particular positions, what I am doing here, first thing I have to take that URL. Any URL you can take it. So I want to take only. So what I want to do, I want to scroll. So we having a method called as a JavaScript executor. So I'm going to creating the object JS equals to new Java's new is equals to n square braces. I'm going to be using JavaScript executor on which one I want to use. I want to use on the driver. So what is my requirement? I want to scroll down. So that is my requirement. Scroll down. Yes equals to executive script. So executive script point script argument 1 and argument 2. I can use it. So what I want to use. So here window dot scroll by position 0 to 500. So I want to scroll to 0 to 500. So I'm scrolling this one. So it is scrolling down. Whether it is scrolling 500 or not, I will check it. See, it was scroll 500. So I want to scroll up. So the same thing, whatever is there. So have scrolled up. I want to scroll down up. I'm scrolling up now. So basically I will use thread dot sleep here to check that one. Thread dot sleep 2000. Before that I want to maximize my window also. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. I'm maximizing the window so that I can able to see everything correctly. Just sorry, I want to scroll top na, so minus 500 I'm putting. So see here it has came top. Before it was came down and it was came top. You have observed that one, I think. So we can scroll up and we can scroll down. Suppose I want to use a conditional based scroll up and down. So how I can use as a conditional based to scroll up and down is um, I can use a JavaScript which I want to scroll 10 times. I want to repeat that loop. So what I will do here means so JavaScript executor. Here I want to scroll this one for 10 times. You add the loop. How many times you want to scroll? I less than 10, I plus plus. So I want to scroll this one. Maximum size I am going to be giving of every time it has to wait for 2 minutes. So I'm putting it as a 2 minutes. So this one it has to, I will put 3 minutes so that I can able to see it correctly. 500 means it will go very down. So 50 I'm putting. So I will run this one. Before also so how many times you want to scroll it, you can put in the loop wise so that you can uh, see it was down, again it was down, it was again down, it was again down. It is going to be putting down as per the expectations it is putting down. So afterwards it has to come minus 500 I have given, it has to come to the top position. Yeah, it has got the top position. I have not used to close it. So if I have not used to close, it is not going to be closing here. So we can add as per our requirement. I want to add 500, I can add 500. If I want to add 50, I can add, I can use the for loop how many times I want to iterate, I can use those many times as per my iterations I can use it. So only for scrolling only we are going to be using the JavaScript means script. It is not like that. So we can use to suppose in interview they are going to be asking I want to send a text without using the send keys. Basically if I want to send the text here in this Facebook, I want to send a text here. So how I am going to be sending the text here? For this one I'm having ID as a email. So after login just driver dot find element by dot id equals to dot send keys. So I'm going to be sending this one as a hello. Basically I'm sending this one as a hello. Just I will run this one whether it is sending correctly or not. See here it has sent the message as a hello, but I don't want to use this send keys. I've stopped this one. I don't want to use this send key. So what I want to do is I will copy all this one in another program. I'm going to be creating. So I'm just using this one. I don't want to send by using this one. So what I want to do, I want to use a JavaScript executors to send this one. So how I am going to be using this one is basically I am using JavaScript executor object. I'm going to be creating equals to JavaScript executor on driver. So it has to be initialized on driver. So once I have declared this one, so next one what I want to do, JS equals to execute to script. So executive script, what I want to use here is I want to use this one as a document. I want to send this one. So document dot get element by id. I want to get element by id. I want to set this one. So id, what is that one? Email is the id. So email is the id. Next one I want to set attribute. Attribute value as I want to set the attribute value as hello. JS. So I have passed it by id. Sorry, yes, I have given passing it as id and set attribute spelling. I have given the attribute value as hello. Set this one. To print that one, what I am going to use, so I want to print this one. So whether I got this one correctly or not, to print this one, this value, what I am going to do, object dot s equals to js dot execute to script return document get element by id. I want to get this element by id. What is that id element? Email is the id. Dot get attribute. I want to get the attribute value. Get attribute value. I need to close this. So next one, what I want to do, I want to print this value. .println. Yes, I want to print this one. Whether it has print this value or not, I want to check this one. So I have commented this one. So I will run this one. Whether I have given correctly or not, I will see it. I have not given thread.sleep the value or not. We are going to be checking that value is entered or not. So the value is entered, it has printed that value. Suppose in my requirement here I want to change the color of that value. So for that one I'm going to be creating one program where JavaScript executed color change. So what I want to do, I want to use JavaScript executor to change the color of the program. So basically in the send text, what I have did means basically I'm copying this one everything. So here I'm going to be pasting this one. So in the facebook.com, what is my requirement here is my requirement. I have typed hello here, but my requirement, I want to change this color to green color or red color. I want to give the borders of this particular value. So to give this color, what we are going to be using, we are going to be using JavaScript executor JS equals to JavaScript executor on driver I want to use. So JS equals to executive script. So in this script I want to pass the value. So basically how I have passed this value, a value without using send keys is I have given I have just given here like sorry, here I have given without send keys. No? So here I have given as a JavaScript executor this value. JavaScript get document ID name get attribute value. So I have given like that JavaScript executor get document ID I have given. So here also the same thing I am going to be giving. But here what I have did means here I have passed that value. So here I have passed the value directly, but I don't want to pass this value directly. So what I want to do is I want to pass in a such a way that uh, I'm going to be storing this one into the web element. I want to store uh, this email ID as a web element. So for that one, what I want to do is just I'm overwriting this one. I'm commenting here. I'm going to be creating one web element name equals to driver dot find element by dot id. So I will this email id I'm going to be passing this one. How I'm going to be passing this one as an argument. I want to pass this one later. I will see. So this one I am going to be passing js dot executive script as an argument. I want to pass it argument of 0 dot attribute set attribute. I want to set the style. So what style I want to set? I want to set the background style. Background green I want to set. border, I want to set border as a solid 3 pixel. I want to fix it. Red color, I want to fix it. To close this one, double quotes. Then semicolon. So this one I want to set this color. So to set this color, I have used driver dot on which element I want to use. So I have to mention that element name also. So I want to use this one on comma username, comma username. I want to set this one, this style for which element I want to set. I want to set with the username, comma username. So I have set it this one. Now I have not sent any value. Just after setting this one, I want to wait. Want to wait. Then it has to close driver dot close. So here I have not set the value, so I am not entering any value there. Just I am setting this one. Whether it is setting or not, we will see it. So after 3 seconds it will change to green. I have given time there. JavaScript executor, error in the argument, select argument, get attribute style, background. So syntactically I have given something wrong, I think. Background, this color I have taken as here. So I will run this one. I have taken for the password also the same thing. Let's check this one. So it has changed pink, and I have given it as an yellow. It was changed. So let's close all these windows. Why? Because we are confusion. So here what I have did means I have passed this value. So here also I have passed this value, set attribute value, whatever I have set it. I can set like this, or else I can use directly dot send key also, I can use it. But here I want, just I'm running this one. So first one, it has entered name and it has to change the green color with the red one. The password has to be changed to pink and yellow border. So I have taken the XPath for that element. So it has closed this one. So we can pass the value or values. We can change the color size, as we can change the border size, and we can implement as per our requirement. So this executive scripters is mainly used for scrolling purposes in the web pages. We can scroll the web pages, um, we can change the color of that web pages, we can resize that one, we can scroll up and down the pages. So basically here we can use two types of scrolling. One thing which we have used with the scroll with the keys also. So suppose in this one only, in this Facebook, I want to scroll down. Directly to scroll down, uh, I can use directly with the keys dot down. Keys dot down I can use. We can scroll down with using the keys dot, like key dot down, key dot suppose. Taking this example only, I will take first Google example, then I will go for the Facebook. Google.com. So in Google.com, what we have did previously, here I'm writing like uh, selenium. I want to click enter here. Then it is navigating to this page. Like this, I want to enter. So for that one, what I can do, driver dot find element by dot name. That name XPath is dot send keys. So I want to write selenium. Next keys dot enter. I want to enter keys dot enter. So whether it is entering or not, I want to see. So for that one, I'm using thread dot sleep. So it is taking time to load that one. So I will run in the debug mode so that I can wait for some time. See, it was entered button so that we are able to get this one. Previously what it has did, it has just opened Google and type and waiting for clicking here, for clicking search Google search button like that. But now what we have did, we have directly clicked on this one, so that it is directly scrolling to the particular functionality. So we can uh, scroll uh, scroll directly with the keys. So like that we can use different types of keys. So I want to scroll to the particular button, or I want to page down, I want to scroll. After entering on this element, here only I want to, or else I want to use this for this one, keys dot page down. So afterwards it has to go to the down of the particular page. Whatever the methods you want to use, page down, key, page up methods, we can use it. Page down method, page up methods, we can use it. So page down, page up methods we can use as per our requirement. So here we having different methods. So arrow down, arrow up, I want to insert space bar, I want to insert a control dot space bar, control dot space, I want to backspace, I want to insert, I want to go to down. So whatever the functionality I want to perform in the Selenium, I can able to perform in the Selenium, like page down, page up methods, which we can able to use it as per our requirement. So in Selenium, we can use different methods like with action classes also we can use it. So when we will discuss the topic, we will discuss more on this concepts. So I want to uh, enter here. So I'm going to be using the enter method. So this is how we are going to be scrolling to the particular topic. We having the different methods scrolling to the particular methods. I can scroll page up, page down. So on the particular element, a driver dot click on particular element, I can page down to the particular positions. I can page down. Um, I can use the page up methods. I can use changing the color for the specific one. I want to change the color. I can change the color which we have seen um, in the in the so next topic, we can take the screenshot also. Suppose if I want to take a screenshot of my particular page, I can take the screenshot. So taking the screenshot, we have to use one method called as a take screenshot method. So take screenshot method, which is going to be taking the screenshot for a file stores. So take screenshot on WebDriver, the file source on which file you want to be take the screenshot. Next one, source and the destination. So where you want to store that screenshot part. So I want to store in my local drive. So I want to take that screenshot. So we will see one program, new class, take. So to take the screenshot of Facebook application, I want to take the screenshot of this one. So I have copied the basic one. So I want to take the screenshot. So first thing, to take the screenshot, we have to declare a screenshot method, take screenshot. So it is an interface. So for interface, what I am ts equals to new, sorry, ts interfaces. We are not going to be creating the object reference now. So take screenshot on WebDriver. On driver, I want to take the screenshot on driver. So next one, what I want to do, I want to give the file source. Equals to take screenshot of, so file I have to take it correctly. Take screenshot, get screenshot as an output, which type I want to get the output, as a file I want to get the output type not file. I want to get the output type as a file. Next one, file, uh, which destination I want that file. So I have to copy the source, take screenshot as a file. So destination, what I want to take the destination, I want to take destination equals to new file, particular path I want to take. I want to take this screenshots on my desktop. Slash as double slash google.png. I want to take this one as a google.png file. So what I want to use this one, I have to copy this one to the particular file destination. So file utils file utils file utils utils dot it is not getting file utils. File utils from source to destination. It has to copy the file from the source to destination. So what is the error we have to do? So here I have to, for files I have to download the Apache file, I think. I'm going to be downloading this Apache latest one. Once it is downloaded, where I have put all these files, I will, in this one I have used builder.configured path. In libraries I have put in downloads now. First I have to extract that one. Once it was extracted, then only I can. Once it is extracted, we can configure that one. Later we can see. It is extracting. So it will taking a lot of time. Once it has extracted, I'm going to open this one application I have downloaded. I have not downloaded the jar. Sorry for it. Latest jar file. So already I'm having, it will taking time now. I'm already having this one. Where I have put it, I'm checking that one. Just give me 1 second. I have downloaded that one. We are not able to get this one. So what I need to do, I need to download this Apache file. So here you can download this Apache file, Apache download. Previously what I have did, I have downloaded wrong version. I have downloaded Apache jar file. So here what I want to download here is, I want to download the binary artifacts. So all the releasing nodes, I want to download it. So once I have selected this one, so I will get this file. So we having the versions, different versions. We having starting from the third version. So we can download the latest version. So you can download and you can download this version. Apache bin 5.2.3 is the latest one. So you have to click on this one. Once you have clicked, it will download. So I have downloaded this one. So once I have clicked and I have downloaded this one. Once I have downloaded this one, where I have stored, I got this one as a zip file. So once you have clicked here and extract this one, clicking on here and extract here, so it is going to be extracting. So I want to extract all the files. So once you have extracted all the files, what you have to do, you have to go to this path, right click, build path, configured build path, go to the libraries. In the class path, you have to select this one. So I want to select the bin file, so I'm copying all, select all. So this one I have copied, and again I need to copy other files also. Just scroll to this bin library. I have to copy these files also. So I am going to be selecting all these Java related files. So I have copied, I have applied this one. So once I have applied, it was went. So I want to copy this one as a screenshot. So this one I want to copy, I want to give the name as Google search. So to give the Google search one, I'm just copying and pasting. I have and running this one. So this page, it was copied. Let's check whether it is copied, it has got it has saved that page or not. In Google search one, if I open this one, the screenshot, I got the screenshots. So I can get the screenshot as per my desire screenshot, whatever the actions I want to perform. So when we are going to be taking the screenshot, so in previous program, I want to take the screenshot of my application. For this applications, I have not this application. I have changed the color of this application. So once I have changed the color of these applications, I want to uh, take the screenshot. So to take the screenshot, what I have did, I have taken the file util dot. So here I need to add throw exception, input output expressions. So what I want to write, this taking the screenshot, Facebook color. This one I want to use the color change, or basically in the real time what we will do means, after running in the actions, whenever there is a assertions, whenever we are keeping the assertions, at that time we are going to be using this screenshot, so that we can get this screenshot at the particular point, so that we can able to find where we got the error. So it is taking time to run, but because we have given the waits time now. Is there any error? Let's check, is there any error is there. So just give me 1 second. I'm cleaning this one and rerunning this one. Why it is not running? If it is not running, what we have to do, I don't know where it is failing, so I will start running with debug mode so that I can understand where it is going to be failing. So this problem basically whenever we are running, so I got hello. Oh, sorry, I am running the another program. JavaScript color change. I have to run. I have to run this one. So here it has executed JavaScript waiting for 3 minutes. Then it has to select the email. It has to change the color. Here it is failing. Compilation error. The remote server log is failing. So here it is failing. So what I want to do whenever it is failing here, I want to take a screenshot. Sorry, I have put in the run mode. So whenever it is failing at this particular point, I want to put the assertion. So to put the assertions, what we are going assertion topic, I will explain later. So I can take the put the screenshot here also, not here. Sorry. After this one, I want to put the screenshot. So it is failing at that point. So I want to put the screenshot. Something has failed. Errors are there. I have copied. I have not cut here. Still there is a error. There is no error. So now I will run in the debug mode. Whether it is taking the screenshot at the fail point or not, I want to check it. So it has executed the JavaScript. It has entered the name. It has waiting for the 3 seconds. Then it has to take the screenshot. It has copied to the particular point. Then it has to change the color. So here we are facing some issue. So whether it has taken the screenshot or not, I will check this one. So what name I have given here? Facebook color change. See here. It has typed the name and it has after failing it has not executed that program, but it has taken the screenshot. Why? Because it having the problem there. So basically whenever we are putting the assertions at that time, we are going to be using the screenshots. So in the Selenium mode we will see where to take the screenshot. This is all about the JavaScript executor as well as taking the screenshots.